Alright, so today, I guess we're gonna finally start putting back together this Metro. Got a lot of work left to do. Gotta put the head back on. Gotta put the camshaft back in. Gotta replace this valve. I don't know if you can tell, it's a little flat on that side. New valve. Got the valve lapping tool. Got the head all shined up and ready for a new gasket. Thermostat. Got to put all those bolts back together. Got a new timing belt. Camshaft front seal. Valve cover set. Intake. And a brand new head gasket. Hopefully we'll have this thing up and running later tonight. Maybe. New water pump belt probably going to go in. I already have the exhaust manifold gasket. Good times.